With an aging Jeep Wrangler, we got almost 140,000 miles on it now. Starting to get a little bit of things here and there that I got to draw some attention to. So right now, I've been having this crazy scrubbing going on, almost sounds like a dust shield. I think it's coming from behind this tire or this wheel. So we're going to take it apart and see what may be scrubbing around in there. Hopefully we can get it fixed pretty easily. So I got the rotor off and everything, and I didn't see anything initially to be anything wrong, but if you look right here, that is a significant amount of rubbing. Like it's smooth, but I'm not sure what's causing it. It's not flimsy. Let's put the rotor back on, and I mean, well, maybe any wind at all is causing that to make contact. I mean, it may be that simple. So I'm just going to try to bend this back a little bit. Maybe it got hit a little bit when we were off-roading. I don't know. Tree got caught in it. But maybe pushing this back a little bit will stop that rubbing that I'm encountering. Okay, it's moment of truth. About to go for a little drive, and hopefully I don't hear any crazy noises coming from under the Jeep. So that seemed to fix it. So sometimes repairs are simple. It's been dealing with it for a while. Just hadn't got in there and to actually take the wheel off and push it. I guess a stick or something must have pushed that heat shield and started making a noise, and just got worse and worse over time with wind drag and whatever else running up against it. But on to the next repair. Thanks for watching.